2 minutes into a 3-minute song. Oh, it feel right, but right now it don't. She's leaning in close like she wants a kiss, but I don't know if I'm ready for this. She's dressed to kill, she's a small town stunner, and there ain't a reason that I shouldn't want to pull her on in, but it ain't that simple when you're right in the middle of a blue-eyed memory in the summer rain. You and me and Betty singing Mary Jane, making more than smoke rings in the dark. Stole my Tar Heel city and a piece of my heart. When I close my eyes, it's like a movie playing those goodbye, baby, till I fade. I guess what I'm saying is moving on's a little hard to do when I'm right in the middle of loving you. Girl, I'm still right in the middle of loving you. Are you happy now? Are you glad you left? Are you settling in with somebody you met? If you found a way to get me out of your head, girl, tell me how, 'cause I'm hung up as hell on a blue-eyed memory in the summer rain. You and me and Betty singing Mary Jane, making more than smoke rings in the dark. Stole my Tar Heel city and a piece of my heart. When I close my eyes, it's like a movie playing those goodbye, baby, till I fade. I guess what I'm saying is moving on's a little hard to do when I'm right in the middle of loving you. Girl, I'm still right in the middle of loving you. Yeah, I've been trying like hell, but it ain't that simple. Still right in the middle of a blue-eyed memory in the summer rain. You and me and Patty singing Mary Jane, making more than smoke rings in the dark. Stole my Tar Heel city and a piece of my heart. When I close my eyes, it's like a movie playing those goodbye, baby, till I fade. I guess what I'm saying is moving on's a little hard to do when I'm right in the middle of loving you. Girl, I'm still right in the middle of loving you. Oh yeah, I'm still right in the middle of loving you. Girl, I'm still right in the middle of loving you.
Let's learn Right in the Middle. It's choreographed by Debbie Rushton. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, high intermediate level nightclub 2-step with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing a few rotations of the dance so you know how it flows and you can dance it on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Right in the Middle. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. You're going to step back with your left, and as you step back with your left, you're going to sweep your right from front to back, cross your right behind your left, and make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot. You'll be facing 9 o'clock. We're going to do a quarter turning nightclub. Over our left shoulder, we're going to make a quarter turn, stepping our right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock. Rock your left foot behind your right, recover onto your right foot. Now over your right shoulder, you're going to make a quarter turn, stepping back with your left. You'll be facing 9 o'clock. We're going to make another quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot to the side. You'll be at 12 o'clock. You're going to cross your left over your right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot. You're now at 3 o'clock, and you're going to make another half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right to face 9 o'clock. And that will be the end of that section. So let's try that part a little bit quicker. Weights on your right foot, you're stepping back with the left and sweeping. Back sweep, behind, quarter, quarter, nightclub. Rock, recover, quarter back, quarter side, cross. Quarter back, half forward, half back. And you're facing 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right foot, you're stepping back with your left and sweeping. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. And because section 1 ends on an and count, we know that our transition to the next section is going to be really quick. To start section 2, your weights on your right foot, you're facing 9 o'clock. We're going to rock back with our left foot, quickly recover onto our right foot, and you're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to rock back with our right, quickly recover onto your left and make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the side to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to rock our left foot back. We'll quickly recover onto your right foot, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your right foot, lunging your left foot to the left side. So we're going to make that quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the side. You're going to bend that left knee and angle your body leaning towards your left, towards 12 o'clock, but your body is facing 3. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping down onto our right foot. You're at 6 o'clock. We're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your left. You're at 12 o'clock. Another half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right. You're at 6. And we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock to start the next section. So let's try that a little bit quicker. Weights back on that right foot. We're rocking back. Rock, recover, half. Rock, recover, quarter. Rock back, recover, quarter. Lunge, quarter, forward, half back, half forward, quarter side. Ready to start section 3. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that right foot, we're rocking back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and. We're ending the section in an and count as well, so we know that our first count of section 3 is going to be transitioned into quickly. So we step to the side for and. We're going to rock our right foot back behind our left, recover onto your left. You're now going to do a half hinge turn. What you're going to do is step forward with your right into the right diagonal, slightly bent knee. You're going to, as you do that, you're going to take your left foot, you're going to lift it up and make a half turn, sweeping it around towards the left shoulder to make that half turn. You're now going to step down on your left foot, cross your right over your left, step your left to the left side. We're going to repeat that to return to 9 o'clock. So we're going to rock back with our right, recover onto your left, step your right foot into that diagonal, and as you step, you're going to take your left foot, you're going to sweep it around to make that half hinge towards the left shoulder, step down on your left, cross your right over your left, step your left to the side, cross your right behind your left. Let's try it a little bit quicker. We ended on and, so we know that it's starting nice and quick. Rock back. Rock, recover, step, half. Side, cross, side. Rock, recover, step, half. Side, cross, side, behind. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're rocking back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and. We're ending in another and count. A little trick. I want you to think that when we do this rock in your step, it's like your right knee is like pushing you up and you're taking that left foot and swinging it around, right? But you don't want it to be super high. I exaggerated it so you could see it on camera, but you just want to keep it nice and low to the ground, like you're cutting through the air to step down and then doing that weave and then doing it again. If you keep it nice and low to the ground, it will make it easier because it is a little fast. Section 4. We're going to step our left foot to the left side as you sway your whole body towards the left. So you're going to take your core of your body, sway it to the left, sway it to the right, and you're going to quickly sway it back to the left, And now we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, swaying our body to the right and turning and putting our weight down onto our right foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to step forward with your left, and now we're going to do a chase half turn. So we're going to step forward with our right, you're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot, and you're going to step forward with your right. You want to use this step forward as a prep because we're going to do a full turn next, and it will help if you think of this as a prep. So when you think of it as a prep, you want you to use your core, so you're slightly angling your body to go back the other way so you give yourself a little bit of momentum. So we stepped here. We're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your left. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot. You're going to rock your left foot forward and recover onto your right to end the dance. So now let's try that part a little bit quicker, and then we'll do it with some counts. Our weight was on our right foot behind our left. Facing 9 o'clock, you're going to do your sways. So we're stepping and swaying. Step, sway, sway, back, quarter, sway, step, chase, half, prep, half, half, rock, recover. And that will put you to be able to step back and sweep to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right foot, you're facing 9 o'clock. We're swaying. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1. And you will start the dance all over again after that and count. So now let's face the front. Let's do it one time through with steps and with counts. Weights on that right foot, we're stepping and sweeping. So it's back, sweep, behind, quarter, quarter, nightclub, rock and quarter, back, quarter, side, cross, quarter, back, half forward, half back, rock, recover, half, rock, back, recover, quarter, rock, back, recover, quarter, lunge, quarter, half, half, quarter, rock, back, step, half, side, cross, side, rock, back, step, sweeping, half, side, cross, side, behind, sway, left, right, quick left, right quarter, step, chase, half, prep, half, half, rock, recover, start the dance all over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right foot, we're stepping back and sweeping. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1 to start the dance all over again. So now let's go all the way around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We'll do a couple rotations of each wall so that you know how it flows. And then you can dance this on a dance floor near you. So weights on that right foot. We're going to step back and sweep. Back, sweep. Behind, quarter, quarter, nightclub. Rock, recover, quarter back, quarter side. Cross, quarter back, half forward, half back. Rock, recover, half back. Rock back, recover, quarter. Rock back, recover, quarter, lunge. Quarter forward, half, half, quarter. Rock, recover, step, half. Sweep, side, cross, side. Rock back, recover, step, half, sweep. Side, cross, side, behind, sway, left. Right, quick left, quarter. Step, chase, half, prep. Half, half, rock, and back. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and step, sweep. Behind, quarter, quarter, nightclub. Rock, back, quarter, side, cross. Quarter, half, half. Rock, back, half. Rock, back, quarter. Rock, back, quarter, lunge. Quarter, half, half, quarter. Rock, and then your step, sweep. Side, cross, side. Rock, recover, step, half, sweep. Side cross, side behind sway. Sway, quick quarter, step. Chase, half prep. Half, half a rock, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and strap the dance all over again. I hope this helps you learn right in the middle. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.